Can custom Linux aliases make file commands easier? Have you ever found yourself typing the same long command over and over again in the Linux command line interface? If so, you might be wondering if there is a way to make your life easier. Custom Linux aliases could be the answer you are looking for. Let's break down how these handy shortcuts can simplify your file management tasks. First off, what exactly is an alias? An alias is a shortcut that replaces a longer command or a series of commands with a shorter name that you define. This means less typing and fewer chances of making mistakes when you are working with complex commands. For instance, instead of typing, list all files with detailed information, using ls law, you can create a simple alias like ll. This makes navigating your files much quicker. Creating aliases is straightforward. You can use the alias command in your terminal. If you want a temporary alias, it will only last for your current session. However, if you want it to be permanent, you can add it to your shell configuration files. For example, if you are using the bash shell, you would add your aliases to the bashrc file. This way, every time you open a new terminal session, your aliases will be ready to go. Now, let's look at some practical use cases for these aliases. You can create an alias to make directory navigation easier. For example, you could set alias is equal to cd to quickly move up one directory level. Another common use is simplifying file listing commands, like alias list is equal to lslaw. You can even create shortcuts for tasks like file compression and extraction, such as alias untar is equal to tar zxvf to quickly extract targz files. Aliases can also combine multiple commands into one. For instance, you could create an alias that cleans a directory and shows a confirmation message all at once. This can save you time and make your workflow smoother. Additionally, if you have scripts for batch file operations, you can use aliases to run them easily. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. Aliases do not accept parameters directly. If you need to perform more complex tasks that requiring arguments, you might want to look into shell functions instead. Still, you can chain multiple commands together using and, or to enhance your alias functionality. In the world of Linux, the alias system is a standout feature. It allows you to customize your command line experience and automate repetitive tasks. This level of personalization is not as common in other operating systems, making it a unique advantage for Linux users. So, can custom Linux aliases make file commands easier? Absolutely. They reduce the complexity and length of commands, speed up your workflow, and allow you to create personalized shortcuts tailored to your specific needs. If you are looking to make your file management tasks more efficient, giving aliases a try is definitely worth it.